Are you sure you know where to find your potential clients? It's not enough to just ask everyone to engage with you. That's like fishing in the ocean without knowing where the fishes are. To get the right clients, you need a plan. You need better targeting strategies. You need steps that guide you straight to your ideal audience. This is where a lead generation systems comes in. It helps you find the right people, capture their interest, and keep them engaged. But of course, don't stop there. Nurture those leads. You need to nurture those leads. Build a relationship and guide them through every step of the way. Show them why franchising is right for them. Don't waste your time on guesswork. Focus on a clear strategy, find your audience, and build a system that does the work for you. The right clients are out there. Let's help them find you.